This is Lewis from Road to Something New, and we finally made it to Hot Creek Geological Site. Hello everyone, and welcome to another Road to Something New video. On our latest adventure, we're here in the Inyo National Forest. We're here to share with you our visit to this hidden gem known as Hot Creek Geological Site. We're glad to have you along on our journey, so let's get this video started. Trip started in Southern California, where we made our way to Bishop, California along Highway 395. From Bishop, we drove a couple dozen miles north until we reached our exit, which was Hot Creek Hatchery Road. Once you're on Hot Creek Hatchery Road, most of the route will be gravel. Though a 4x4 is recommended, it isn't necessary, as we drove ourselves pretty easily with our sedan. Though we did film the entire route, we cut and sped up this part of the video to give you enough of an idea what to expect when you visit. The parking lot has a decent amount of spaces. When you exit your vehicle, you'll be graced by the excellent views of the Eastern Sierras. I took the Mavic out to capture some aerial shots of the canyon below. I did try to get a little closer, but the heat sensors on the Mavic advised me not to get any closer. Now it's time that we start our hike down to the bottom. We were pretty impressed by our initial views of the gorge area. You know, sometimes you just see photos of a place online, and when you actually go to visit, it ends up not looking as good as the photos. But this place was way more impressive in person. We're currently walking along the path to get to the geothermal site. We parked at the parking section up there. I don't know if you can see back there, but it's up there, and probably to get down to the site, it's about I'd say about a quarter-mile hike. It's not bad at all. It's early in the morning. The sun is just barely getting over the hills right here, and it's nice and cool. Can't wait to get down there and check out the geothermal site. We knew before coming here that we couldn't get up close enough to the creek due to the danger that the hot water can pose. We did notice that while we came down, there was quite a few people walking along the creek. We figured they got through with some sort of crack in the fencing, and sure enough, we found it as well. We thought to ourselves that why not enter as well. We finally made it down here, and right behind me, this is the geothermal area. The hot water from this area right here flows into the cold water from this creek right here, and that's why it's named Hot Creek. This water can reach up to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, but sometimes the geyser spouts that come out of here from the volcanic activity that goes underneath, it can reach about 200. So that's why no one is able to swim in this water anymore. It's unfortunate, but it's for your own safety. We would like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you like this video and want to see more videos just like this, then hit the like button down below. Also, subscribe to our channel to support us and be the first to see our latest adventures. Let us know in the comments down below on what you think about Hot Creek Geological Site, and also if you have any experiences here as well. We would love to hear all your responses. Head over to our website for more information about all the interesting places we visit.